Hello everyone, welcome to the another exciting adventure in the world of Python. Today we are going to discover something magical called Pandas. But wait, what is Pandas? Is it a wizard? Is it a magician? Well, let's enter into the magical kingdom of data land and find out. Once upon a time, in the magical kingdom of data land, there lived a young data scientist named Ravi. Ravi loved numbers, but he had one big problem. Every day he received thousands of rows of massive data. Some data was missing, some names were written incorrectly, some numbers were in the wrong format. Ravi became frustrated. Once evening, while sitting in his small data library, he whispered, I wish there was a magical tool that could help me clean and understand all this data. Suddenly, a bright light appeared. Whoosh! A friendly giant panda appeared in front of him. Hello, Ravi, said the panda. Ravi was surprised. Who are you? Panda smiled. I am Ravi Pandas, your data science helper. Ravi looked at the pandas with curiosity. Can you really help me with my data? Of course, Pandas replied. Give me your data and let's begin our adventure. The first challenge created a data frame. Ravi gives Pandas a list of employee information. Pandas wave his magic bamboo sticks. Whoosh! The messy, the messy information was organized into a beautiful table. This is called a data frame. Sad panda. Ravi smiled. So I can organize my data into rows and columns? Exactly, Pandas replied. Ravi quickly learned import the pandas as a PD. Data Ravi and typed some names and their age and salary and also created a data frame. And second challenge, cleaning data. Suddenly a new problem appeared. Some employee record has missing salaries. Oh no, cried Ravi. Pandas smiled. Don't worry, data cleaning is one of my special power. With another wave of his bamboo sticks, Pandas found the missing values. Ravi learned how to use df.isnull and df.fillna. The massive data become clean. The third challenge, finding information. Ravi wanted to find employee whose salary was greater than 35,000. Pandas said, let's filter the data. High salary equal to DF salary greater than 35,000. Prints high salary. In an instant, only one employee with higher salary appeared. Ravi was amazed. Pandas were incredible. Pandas laughed. I am useful, but you are one of asking the right question. The finally changes understanding the data. Now Ravi wanted to know the average salary. Pandas perform one final magical move. Average salary equal to df salary dot mean. Print average salary. The answer appeared on the screen. Ravi finally understood something important. Data is not just a collection of numbers, data tells a story. The lesson in here, and we have learned from this story. Before leaving Pandas, Ravi a piece of bamboo and said, remember these are four steps whenever you work with data. Load, clean, analyze and understand. Ravi thanks Pandas. From that day forward, whenever Ravi receive a large data set, he never become afraid. He simply opened Python and said, Panda, let's explore the data. And somewhere inside the magical world of data land, the friendly pandas smile. Pandas has found another data scientist to teach. The moral of this story, Pandas makes data analysis easier by helping us organize, clean, filter, transform, and analyze data. And most important lesson, good data leads a good decision. And that's end. Hello everyone.